Hey everyone, you know who it is, FM here.
Assassinate the
So today's
examiner.
video we're going to talk all about sat-nav, GPS sat-nav, and I'm going to show you a clip of me driving as a student in the test using the sat-nav. A few things to bear in mind. One is roughly about 100 yards, that's when you're going to do your mirror signal maneuver routine. We're going to be using the exact same sat-nav you'll have in the exam. So this particular sat-nav will be exactly the same. So what I mean by 100 yards, on top of the sat-nav there's numbers 500 yards, quarter of a mile, etc. When you see 100 yards, that's an indication for you. You need to start doing your routine. Another question students ask is, what happens if you go the wrong way? In today's clip, we're not going to go the wrong way, we're just going to do it correctly. But we will show you what happens if you go the wrong way. Just for now, just a quick answer for you to understand is, if you go the wrong way safely, it doesn't count as a major fault. You wouldn't fail on it. The sat-nav will simply just reroute itself, or even the examiner can intervene and direct you back towards the route that they're on. The disadvantage of going off the route is the examiner will be a bit frustrated and maybe even furious, because now you've taken them on a longer route possibly, and number two, the route may be more difficult. So bear all that in mind. When you see 100 yards, mirror signal maneuver routine, and try not to go off the route. Let's go to the clip. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Alright, so we're outside the test center just here, and we're going to go straight into the test. We're going to start with the sat-nav. Let's give it a shot. Okay, 6-point check. I'm already in my biting point. As you're inside the test center, just be aware of any other learners coming out at the same time. Okay. Check my mirrors, interior left, going left. I'm just going to go to gear 1 here, as I can't see on the left and right. Follow the shape of the bend. Edge out, peep out in gear 1, peeping out. Looks like I'm turning right on the sat-nav. Check my mirrors, interior right, indicate. In gear 1 already, I'm going to stay in gear 1. Be more near my side of the lane. Scan. It looks clear, let's go. Okay, check my mirrors again. Clear for now. So if you notice, as I came out of the test center and then into this particular road, I was edging out because I couldn't see properly. Even though it was clear to go, there was no cars around, but because of the obstructions, such as the cars parked up or maybe the walls in the way, I was edging out. Now it's very important that you do the same. No one's around me, quite safe for now. End of the road, we're turning left, it looks like 280 yards.
After 200 yards, turn left, A310, Twickenham Road, then cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
Okay, check my mirrors. Indicate about now, 6 to 8 cars length. Start indicate back on, start braking. Clutch goes down. And I'm just going to go straight into gear 1. Handbrake up. Check my mirrors while I'm waiting, just to see who's around me. Maybe a cyclist might squeeze in, you never know. Okay, let's prepare the car. Into gear 1, biting point, you never know when you're going. This man's eager to go. Got some deliveries to do. Okay. There's your cyclist, as I said. You never know who's around you.
He is the one.
Check your mirrors one more time. It's clear. Up to gear 2 before the bend. Before the turn, sorry. Straight back. Check our mirrors again. We can see the 20-mile sign up ahead. I'm in gear 3 for now. Give yourself a nice gap between you and the cyclist.
Cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A310, Twickenham Road.
Double check the left mirror for that cyclist. Look right. We can see a BM. We can see the cars blocking them. So I'm gonna go. Alright, where are we going next? Check your mirrors and the sat-nav while you're going straight. Turning left.
After 100
Mirrors
yards,
again,
go
interior
left on the
left.
roundabout,
Indicate.
and take the first exit,
Brake. I'm gonna go to gear 1 because of the
St. John's
traffic.
Road.
Check my mirrors one more time. Gear 2. Up ahead it looks
Left
quite
on the
clear.
roundabout, and take the first
Yeah, no one's
exit.
indicating. Let's go. Speed is a road. We're gonna still assume it's 20 for now. There you go. There's a 20 sign on the floor. I'm in gear 3 just to let you know.
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout and take the second exit, B363, St. John's Road.
Mirrors.
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout
Zebra crossing
and take
scan.
the first exit.
No one's around. Look far ahead. Rubber band. A bus coming.
Cross the
Brake a bit. Go down
roundabout
to gear
and take
2.
the first exit.
Slow down a bit more. He's coming more near the center. We're just gonna let him go, and then we build up a speed again. Up to gear 3. Alright, let's see how we can deal with the cyclist. It's right at the center. Check your mirrors. Another cyclist getting through. Check your right mirror to overtake the cyclist. Okay.
At the end of the road,
Check my
turn
left mirror,
right,
inside left.
A315,
Get yourself
London
back in
Road.
slightly.
Then take the second
And we're
left.
turning right, it looks like. Check my mirrors, interior right, indicate right. Because of the parked car, I'm just going to move myself slightly more to the left so any cars can squeeze in or a bus can squeeze in. Just going to handbrake neutral because I can see about 4 cars in front of me. Back to gear 1, biting point, check your mirrors one more time, interior right. You can see a bike coming through. That's how important the mirror checks are. And look, the bike's now gone left.
Turn right.
We're going right.
A315, London Road. Then take the second left.
Second left. Alright. That's 1.
After
Back to
100
gear 3.
yards,
Check my
turn
mirrors.
left,
Interior
College
left.
Road. Then
Indicate.
take the third right.
Brake. Clutch goes down. Go
Turn
down to gear
left,
2.
Then take the third right.
Double check the left mirror. And we're just going to pull up somewhere safe. Mirrors. Interior left. Clutch goes down. And into the bay. Okay. You're probably aware why I paused it there. So we were turning right at the traffic lights and I did a quick double check on my right mirror because we're turning right. And had I not done so, I would have missed that bike. Now that bike was overtaking us, then cut back across and turned left. Really dangerous for our situation because we're turning right and he's trying to turn left. He's overtaking and cutting us in. Now, very important to bear that in mind. Don't forget, I'm more experienced, but put experience to a side. As a driver, as a learner, it doesn't hurt to just double check your mirrors while you're about to move off. It takes less than a second to double check. Bear that in mind. Really good example there for double checking. Biting point, 6-point check, into left blind spot, left mirror, interior ahead, right mirror, right blind spot, indicate. Nobody's there. Let's move off. Okay, 20 miles an hour zone here. I'm in gear 2. I'm going to stay in gear 2 because the road looks like it's going slightly uphill. Check my left mirror to move back in slightly. Quite sharp.
After 200 yards, turn right, Musgrave Road. Then go straight on, Northumberland Avenue.
Okay, scan for anybody coming through. No one's coming. These speed bumps are quite sharp. I'm roughly just below 50 miles an hour for the speed bump.
Turn right, then
Check my mirrors.
straight on.
Indicate, interior right, indicate, in gear 2, brake a bit. There's a cyclist. I'm just going to gear 1 because the road looks quite narrow. Did the right thing there, come back in, check my mirrors, go down to gear 2, carry on driving. Coming up to a crossroad where we can't see who's on our left or right.
Northumberland Avenue.
Going straight,
Bear right.
clutch goes down. I'm going to gear 1 here just because I can't see at all. I'm going to peep and creep using brake or clutch or gas to edge out. It looks clear. Yep, let's go. Back to gear 2, 20 miles an hour. Because of the bend, I'm going to stay in gear 2.
Bear right, Northumberland Avenue.
And I'm just going to find some safety stop. Check my mirrors, interior left, indicate. You can see a few bays. Keep checking my left mirror, start braking, clutch goes down, push in, roll yourself into this bay or the next. I'll just stop here before this guy's driveway, handbrake neutral. The reason why I paused it is because as a student when you're driving, look, let's just pause the clip here. You would think straight is straight ahead past this van, but it's actually not. I know it sounds simple, you just follow the bend towards the right, but it's actually sometimes a mistake that students commit. They assume straight is straight ahead. In this particular road, it may seem simple, it may seem obvious, but there are other roads actually where it's not as obvious where to go. Now, the little trick that we can give you is if you see giveaway lines on the floor, like here, if you see giveaway lines, therefore you know it's actually a different road, so we have to follow it around. So that's a little trick for you, a little tip. If you see giveaway lines, definitely it's not your road, it's a different road you're going into. And then to move off, back to gear 1. Biting point, 6-point check. I can see 2 cars coming along. Just gonna wait. Just gonna delay the indicator, let the car go, and then I'll indicate. That way he doesn't have to wait for me. Indicate now. Cars ahead of us. Check over my blind spot one more time. We'll let these 2 cars in front of us go. Mirror check. It's clear, hammer goes down, let's go. I'm gonna stay in the center of the road and then check my left mirror to move back in. Thank you, mate. You waited for us. Stay in gear 2. We're not really building up our speed here because of the speed bump, and the road is not really straight. It keeps going up and down. So, fuel your car. Now I can go to gear 3. I'll go above 20 miles an hour.
At the end of the road, turn left, B454, Southern Lane. Then you have reached your destination.
Checking my mirrors. Interior left, indicate. I'm just gonna go down to gear 2. And then I'm just gonna go down to gear
Turn
1.
left, then you have reached your destination.
Just scanning. Okay, I'm just edging out a bit. Handbrake up. Biting points to keep clear. In front of us. When the lights go green, I'm going to edge out in front of this van on my right. Yeah, we're just going to edge out. That way we don't have to wait here. Thank you. Alright. And then once we're in, we're going straight. Back to gear 2. Check my mirrors. There's a bike we have to be careful of. Check our right mirror because we have to swing out slightly because of the bike possibly. Yeah, I'm just going to swing out to the right lane, indicate, move across because of the bike.
After 100 yards,
And that parked car up
you have
ahead.
reached your destination.
And that's almost the end of the sat-nav. Check my left mirror, merge back in slightly. That's the end of the sat-nav for now.
Cyan Lane.
We're just gonna go straight. I'm gonna check my left mirror, go back to this left side, check on the right on the roundabout. It's clear to go. Let's go. We're in gear 2. Now we're turning right at the roundabout. Check my right mirror, interior right, indicate, move across, stay in gear 2, look right, scan ahead. Those cars should block the car off. He's indicating though, and I'm gonna go. Indicate back on gear 2, follow the shape, check my left mirror, indicate left to come off or cancel the indicator, one of the two. We're in Tesco's right now. And that's how you drive on the test with a sat-nav or GPS. Do watch our other videos to have a better understanding. Let me know about yourself. Do you use a sat-nav in your driving lessons? Have you started it yet? If so, what are the difficulties? So in the clip that I've just shown you, I've given you some shortcuts or some tips, which obviously listen out for the sat-nav. Number 2, look out for the signs. It says 100 yards. Roughly, doesn't have to be exact, but that is roughly when you want to start doing your mirror signal maneuver routine. Number 3, look at the sat-nav itself, but look at it when you feel safe. The road is more important, so glance at it when you get the chance, when it's safe for you to get a chance. Number 4, you can always double check with the examiner. You can always ask him, mate, is it this left, is it that right? They may or they may not tell you, but it's worth a shot. It doesn't hurt asking. And number 4, is it number 4, number 5? Okay, you guys let me know. Let's say 5 for now. Number 5, if you do go the wrong way, go the wrong way safely. Meaning, say if you're going straight and you realize it was right, but you went straight. No problem, just carry on going straight. You missed the right road, carry on. It's not a major fault. It would be a major, for example, if you indicated right, then you went straight. So anyway, that's how you drive on the test with the sat-nav. If you like that video, don't forget to share it, like it and subscribe. If there's any difficulties you are facing in your driving, let me know. Leave me a message and I'll try to make a video or try to answer it when I get a chance. Good luck in your driving. Take care. Bye bye.